Hi, I'm Jessica Banks. I'm a scientist, roboticist, and founder of Rock Paper Robot, a design and engineering firm out of Brooklyn. We make kinetic furniture. What's kinetic furniture? Well, it's basically decor that moves, like these levitating tables. Or this bouncing one. Or our latest Ollie chair. Inspired by our experience living and working in New York. See, this is our office, but this is our office. The city inspires us, informs us, and acts as a constant reminder of the diversity of people and problems that we have to consider when we design. Plus, the responsibility we feel to not create more shit. Come see what we mean. The Ollie chair retracts to 2 inches, so it's ideal for small spaces.
It flat packs for transport, and we all know how important that is.
It's lightweight, so it's easy to move around.
The Ollie chair has a built-in lumbar support, so it's super comfy after a long day on your feet. Woo! And because the chair body is made out of aluminum and the default timbre is made out of teak, it's great for outdoor environments.
And because we're fans of personal expression, Ollie is customizable. The timbre, the flexible slatted seat part, is interchangeable, so you can swap it out to suit your style. And just for our Kickstarter backers, we're offering some limited edition finishes for your chairs, including an awesome silkscreen by our talented friend Wisby.
No extra space? No problem. Store your Ollie chair on the wall like a work of art.
And of course the chair is perfect for home too. Ollie can be your primary seating or accommodate your space for extra guests.
Though storing the chair might seem like sleight of hand, manufacturing it doesn't take magic, it takes money. That's where you come in. By supporting our Kickstarter campaign, you'll be the first to get your butts on the Ollie chairs at far lower than the expected retail price. And you'll be supporting a female-run manufacturing company. That's Woo-Manufacturing. So thank you, from all of us at Rock Paper Robot.
Support Ollie, and let Ollie support you.
And don't forget to share the chair.
Is the Ludovico Micro Office. With 2 built-in drawers and a filing cabinet, there is plenty of space for organization. It even has a fully hidden chair. Open up the desk and take out your laptop from the hidden compartment, and you are ready to get things done. The cabinet is on wheels and fully mobile. You can easily move it to another room for a change of scenery or to find a quiet workspace. And it all compacts down into a very small cabinet. For more information on the Ludovico office, visit expandfurniture.com.